Eric, we're Radiator Grille Store here doing another modification to our Amplify Orange Z06. We're going to do United Restyling Interior Trim Kit, all in Amplify Orange. It's going to look great. It's going to make this car stick out at the car shows. It is definitely going to be different. It is going to look super custom and it's going to look great. So we've got all these kits in the store. You can do the whole kit or you can do only parts of the kit. And each one of them is going to look great on your car. So come on with us. Here we've got the kits laid out in each one of their respective sub kits. This is going to be the waterfall kit. You can see the larger piece, that's going to be for your coupe. The smaller piece, that's going to be for your hardtop convertible. Now we have the next piece. This is for the strike plate around the rear hatch. So this is going to be for your coupes, and this is going to be a nice little hatch strike plate, and your convertibles too, I believe. And here we've got the upper trim kit. This is for your dash gauges and the trim around your airbag, the trim around your controls on the steering wheel. This is our lower trim kit here. This is going to be the silver stripe that goes kind of across the whole dash. And this is going to be your drive mode selector area and your drive modes as well with your starter ring. This is our door kit. So this is going to be all the door trim, and we have the electronic push buttons, and then we also have on the left, you're going to see the two different pieces there. The leftmost one is going to be for your coupes, and the middle one is going to be the hardtop convertible version. It's going to have those extra buttons top for your hardtop. And we also have this. This is our controls kit. This is going to be all the controls on your seats. There's going to be controls around the upper windshield area, the windshield triangles, the vents, and the mechanical door releases. So these are our whole set of kits for you. You can buy these individual, or you can get all of these in one kit, except for the strike plate. That one does come separately from our entire kit. So with that, let's get installing. Here we are with one of the door trim pieces. And what we're going to do is we're going to be cleaning off all the contact areas. And you can see here, this is where we're going to be contacting with the VHB tape. And you simply remove the red backing, like so. And what we're going to be doing is pressing down and holding on each one of these spots to make sure we get good adherence with the VHB tape. VHB tape needs to be at least 65 degrees and warmer to activate and be used. It also is pressure sensitive, so you want to press and hold this down to get it to really adhere in the nooks and crannies of all the brushed aluminum. It also takes about 48 to 72 hours to fully cure and set up so that it is nice and secure to your vehicle. Once we've peeled off VHB tape, we're going to be aligning it, and then we're going to be pressing to adhere at all the spots where there's VHB tape. And make sure, press and hold, make sure you get that nice and secure. And there you go. That is a pretty darn good look. That looks great. Really custom. We're not going to bore you with all of the install. We're just going to be peeling off the backing tape and sticking it on. So we're going to give you a little before, and we're going to give you the after. Take this and go to this, and there it is, the finished product. Look at that. Look at all those pieces in there. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that waterfall. How impactful is that waterfall from outside the vehicle? Look at all the details. Look at all that Amplify orange. And here's our strike plate there. Just a great modification. Took us maybe a half an hour to do all of this. And look at how custom that looks. And here's what we were talking about, that visual impact by that waterfall. If nothing else, get the waterfall. Look how visually impactful that is, you know, sitting at a car show. It really says custom to me. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillstore.com. We got a little helper here for the interior project on our Z06. This is Phoebe, the RGS cat. Say hi to everyone, Phoebe.